All right, I got to show you this. You know my friend William, the tree guy with the big beard? He literally got a phone call that a cat was stuck way up in a tree in below freezing temperatures for 2 days straight. And he went and rescued the cat. He's rescued over 60 animals from trees, including like an iguana. He's been on the news for this. So he called me up. I'm like, I went out there to the job. Well, it wasn't a job site. It was an animal rescue. And you have to see how selfless of a human being my friend William is. Watch this video.
What's up, my boy? Hey. Come on. Hey, get that fish net out of my truck, tie it onto my line. It's okay. Okay, let go. Come on, let go. It's okay. I know. Big mad kitty. He's got to do this. He's got a leather glove and he sewed a sack around it so he could pull it over the cat. He knows exactly what he's doing. Now he's gonna tie the sack up. He's been on the news for this. medical attention.
The cat freezing to the touch.
Oh yeah. He's shivering.
Shivering.
Scared. He's peeing all over.
What's up, William?
What's up?
Thank you, bro. There he is. Think he's gonna be okay?
Yeah. It's pretty old.
How long has he been in the tree?
They said since yesterday morning.
All right, what is this thing?
It's that cat rescue bag I was telling you about. It's a big landscaping glove, heavy duty. Right now it's inside out because we just rescued a cat. It's got a drawstring on the bag, which this is a laundry bag. It's got a little belt loop here for a carabiner. So what you do when this is right side in is you take the cat and you scruff it, and then you put the laundry bag over it, and then pull the drawstring tight, and then you clip this to your belt somehow, your harness.
So you grab the cat
Yeah.
with a glove, but you got that, so you pull it over the cat, so now he's in the bag.
When you scruff the cat by the back of the neck, you've got to know how to handle a cat. You can't, you know.
Oh yeah, it'll attack you in the tree because
I've
it's
been
scared.
attacked before, right? And it's important to have a face mask, heavy duty gloves, and then some way to get it safely down on the ground, where before we were trying to use cat carriers and it just wasn't the safest way. This contains the animal and then safely hangs them off of the front or the back of your climbing harness.
So the cat's secured and safe in the sack.
And it can't come out because when you draw this string and you put the stopper in there, you fold it over, you tie a knot over it real quick. That was a learning experience too. It's all been a learning experience, but for a good cause.
How many cats have you rescued?
Conservatively, probably 60. If I were to exaggerate, I'd say 80.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And why do you do it?
because nobody else does. And we get sent all these sad photos of cats freezing in trees, or cats being so hot in trees and not eating for days and weeks, and you know, becoming emaciated. And somebody's got to do it. Nobody does it. There are a few guys that do it in the tri-state area, but no one that I really know of here in southeast Michigan. So I get a lot of calls all the way up to Flint. I've rescued cats in Flint and Lansing. I've gotten calls from across the border in Canada.
I mean, you're a professional tree guy, like
Yeah.
you do this for a living, but you also will work all day, and then you'll get a call and go straight and rescue a cat. You do it on the weekends, on Sundays. Thanks, man. That's
Yeah.
amazing.
Anytime.